Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. Today, I'm gonna provide you the codes for Anime Fighting Roblox. So, before watching the video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on our new videos. So, before wasting time, let's get started. So, the first code number one is BUNDLES exclamation mark. So the code number one is BUNDLES and exclamation mark. And the second code number two is LAGFIXED exclamation mark. And the second code is LAGFIXED. So guys, use these codes and get rewards. Thanks for watching the video.